Good morning, grade 9. We have seen first and second question from set 4.3. Now let's go to third question. Say it's given that 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 by 3. Then we have to find the value of 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square. Now very important thing to understand is we have a over here and we have to find a square over here. So first is we have to get a upon b individually and then square it to get a square upon b square. So how can we get a upon b only? We have seen this in question number 2, first problem, isn't it? Similarly, this we are going to deal with componendo dividendo. That means this is numerator, this is denominator. This should be added first and this should be subtracted from the numerator. So by componendo dividendo, we have 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b upon 3a plus 7b minus 3a minus 7b. So same operation should be done on the right hand side also. So 4 ones plus 3 and 4 minus 3. Now if you open the bracket, because of this minus sign, here there will not be any change. So minus 3a plus 7b as it is. But look at the denominator. We have minus 3a minus into minus plus 7b. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 4 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now look over here. We have plus 7b minus 7b. Cancelled. 3 plus 3 is 6a. Here 3a minus 3a plus 3a cancelled. 7b plus 7b we have 14b. So we have 6a upon 14b is equal to 7 upon 1. We want only a upon b. So I am shifting these two numbers over that side, right hand side. So 14 will go in numerator, 6 will come in denominator. Here 2 3s are and 2 7s are, 7 7s are 49, 1 into 3 is 3. So now we got a upon b is 49 upon 3. Now we can find a square and b square. How do we do it? Squaring both the sides. So we have squaring this will get a square upon b square. We have to square this also. So we have 49 square upon 3 square. 49 square is 2401 and 3 square is 9. Now after this, see what do we want. A square is multiplied by 3, b square is multiplied by 7. So we want to multiply a by a square by 3 and b square by 7. So we need to multiply this ratio by 3 by 7. If you multiply this ratio by 3 upon 7, you will automatically get 3a square upon 7b square. But if you are multiplying this, you need to multiply this side also. So we are multiplying this also. So we have 3 by 7 into a square upon b square is 2401 upon 9 into 3 by 7. But 7 ones are and 7 3 4 3s are. 3 ones are and 3 3s are. So we are left with 343 upon 3. Now once we get this, now we can do componendo dividendo. So to this we should be adding ones and to this again we should be subtracting. So 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square. Same operation should be done on this ratio also. So 343 ones plus 3 and 343 ones minus 3. So this we are going to get 346 upon 340. But we don't want plus sign above and minus sign below. What we want, negative sign should be up. So we have to take again reciprocal, that is inverted row. So I am erasing this. Please pause the video and take it down. So now from here I am erasing. After that we have reached up to here, isn't it? Now see what I am doing. I am going to invert this ratio. So by reciprocal means we are using by invertendo. By invertendo, what I will get now, this will come above. 3a square minus 7b square upon, this will go down. So it is 3a square plus 7b square. This would be equal to, this will be upside down. It will be 340 upon 346. Okay, but this can be divided by 2. So 2 ones and 2 sevens are 170. 2 ones are, then you have 7s are and 3s are. So at the end what do we get? 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square would be equal to 170 upon 173, which can be written as 170 is to 173. Is this clear? Third problem. Okay, so please take it down with all the steps. Let's go for the fourth question now. Okay, you may pause the video and take it down. Now look at the fourth problem. X square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 upon 2x plus 3. Question says solve the following equations. Solving means finding the value of x. Alright. Now see, I am multiplying both sides by 1 by 4. Why am I doing this? Just see what is happening by after multiplying with 1 by 4. 4 is in denominator, so I have to multiply this denominator by 4. If I multiply, 4 3s are becomes 12x and 4 5s are becomes minus 20. So these two terms I am getting similar as that of the last two terms of numerator. So that now if I subtract this from over here, then I am likely to get rid of both the terms by using dividend. Are you understanding me? So that is the logic after multiplying 1 by 4, both the ratios. Similarly, if I do 1 by 4 over here also, and see if you are multiplying here by 1 by 4, this side also you need to multiply 1 by 4. And by doing that only you are getting last two terms again as it is. See, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now see students, if I do dividend by dividend, what do you mean by dividendo? Dividendo means you are subtracting this term from the numerator and below you are writing numerator as it is. So what am I going to get? I will get x square plus 12x minus 20. This is numerator. From this I am subtracting this denominator. 12x minus 20 upon, I will be writing denominator as it is. 12x minus 20. This is dividendo. Okay, similarly, this side also I would be doing x square plus 8x plus 12 minus, I would do 8x plus 12 the whole upon 8x plus 12. Now let me open the bracket, see what I am getting. X square plus 12x minus 20 minus into plus is plus 12, sorry. Minus into plus is minus 12x. Minus into minus is plus 20 upon 12x minus 20. This side what am I going to get? X square plus 8x plus 12 minus into plus minus 8x. Minus into plus, I will have again minus 12 the whole upon 8x plus 12. Now see, plus 12x minus 12x minus 20 plus 20. We got rid with everything. Similarly here also 8x minus 8x 12 minus 12. So we are left with only x square upon 12x minus 20, which is equal to x square upon 8x plus 12. Now if x is equal to 0, then this is equal, no? 0 upon something, if you divide any number by 0, answer would be 0. So this equation is true, this is true if x is equal to 0. So one value of x we got, but x cannot be 0 also, no? If x is not equal to 0, if x is not equal to 0, then we have, I am just writing it above, just see now. Then what do we have? If x is not equal to 0, we are going to have x square upon 12x minus 20 would be equal to x square upon 8x plus 12. If x is not equal to 0, then it is some value. Both sides it is there, so it will get cancelled. And if we cross multiply, then we get 8x plus 12 would be equal to 12x minus 20. I am shifting this over here and this over here. I have 12 plus 20 is equal to 12x minus 8x. So one value we have already got, x is equal to 0. We will find another value now. So we have here 10, 20 plus 12 is 32 would be equal to 4x. Therefore, x is equal to 32 upon 4, which is equal to 8. Therefore, either x is equal to 0 or x would be 8. This is the value of x. So, these are the solutions of the equation. Is this clear? Okay. So that's all from my side for today's students. Thank you.